That's right. It should be here by Wednesday or Thursday, which means next Saturday or Sunday, if you guys are interested, we could potentially have videos of a 73 Mustang and a 90s Firebird Formula. I'm really excited about both of them, honestly, because they're both cars that, even though a lot of you probably aren't going to care for them all that much, they're both cars that I really, really like myself. This car is going to need some gas pretty soon, but I think we can make it back home, so I'm going to flip it around and give it a little gas. Oh yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. There's 70. It shifts like butter. The ride quality is honestly pretty damn good. I know, I can already hear the comments. I've already seen some of the comments on my Instagram page where, you know, there's some people out there that just don't like cars like this, and believe it or not, I understand that.